In this video, we will discuss the proper way to package a send-in repair. First, you will want to pack the repair in an anti-static bag, if you have one available. This helps protect your repair from any loose materials that can further damage your product. Next, select a proper packing material. Either heavy packing paper or bubble wrap will work. You will also want to choose a box that allows at least 2 inches of space on all 4 sides. Next, use your selected packing material to secure the bottom and sides of the box. Then, wrap the repair unit securely in the packing material and place in the center of the box. Finally, use a top layer of packing material to tightly secure your repair, making sure there's no extra space. If you have any questions or in need of assistance, call our experts today.